In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in Quora. If you've posted something on Quora and later decide you no longer want it visible, the good news is that removing it is usually a quick process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly to where to go and what to click so you can delete the post smoothly and confidently. To begin, head over to Quora and navigate to the post you want to delete. In many cases, you can find it directly from your home page if it has appeared in your recent activity or feed. If not, you may need to scroll a little until you locate the correct post. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you've shared multiple posts or questions. It's always a good idea to double check before deleting anything, since this action may not be easily reversible. Once you've found the post, look for the three-dot menu associated with it. This is usually located near the top area of the post and contains additional options for managing that content. Click on those three dots to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second and look closely around the post controls, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your device or browser. After the menu opens, find the option labeled Delete Question and click on it. This is the option that starts the removal process. At this stage, Quora is essentially asking whether you want to permanently remove that content. So again, make sure you're deleting the correct post before moving forward. Next, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to complete the deletion. Once you do that, the post will be removed from Quora. That's all it takes. The overall process is simple. Find the post, open the three-dot menu, choose Delete Question, and confirm your choice. If you're managing older content, it can help to review the post one last time before deleting, just to avoid removing something you meant to keep. Also, if the page doesn't update immediately, try refreshing your browser to verify that the post is gone. And that's how to delete a post in Quora.